Hey guys, on today's video I'll teach you how to buy things from IKEA, usually in the IKEA app. So we're gonna go into IKEA, and by the way, if you're doing this online, it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. Anyways, once you open up your IKEA app, make sure to sign in. So you guys will notice on the middle, there's that circle on the bottom. Just tap there. And then from here, just make sure you're signed in, and you should be fine. And you guys will see that if you guys have never loaded an IKEA app before, then right away it's gonna ask you to sign in regardless. From there, on the bottom once again, on the left hand side, you guys will see that home. You guys can explore a few products from there. But beside that, you guys will see another icon. That's where you guys can search for things. So for example, I recently looked for this. So here it is. You guys can also just type in whatever you guys want. So if you guys want a new bed or something like that, then go ahead and take a look at something from here. Now let's say you guys want this, just add it to your shopping cart. And then once you guys find whatever you guys want and add it to your shopping cart, you guys will notice all the way on the bottom, right inside of your screen, that's going to be your shopping cart. Okay, that's to just go ahead and check out. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Just tap there. All right, so once you're right here on your checkout, you guys will see, you guys can compare your delivery options. I highly suggest doing that just so you guys can see what's free, what will cost you, and all that stuff. So right now, that's what we're going to see. We're going to see compare to home delivery. So just tap there. All right. And from here, it's going to tell you what and how much will it cost. Right now, it's telling me that it's free as long as I go and collect from the store. And not everything's available for delivery. So I kind of have no choice in my case. All right, so from here, just make sure everything makes sense and then tap on checkout with Apple Pay if you guys want to, or just continue. So we're gonna assume that you guys maybe don't have Apple Pay set up. So just press on continue. Once you press on continue, it's gonna tell you this, where to pick it up from and when it's gonna be available to pick up. So right now the estimate is actually today at 3 o'clock, which is pretty fast. Actually, it's just a few hours for them to get this ready. And my delivery cost is free. And that's because I'm going to IKEA. All right, if you scroll all the way down, you guys will see compare delivery prices. Again, you guys can see what's better, but usually if this is free, then just go for it. Go ahead and tap on checkout, or you still have the option for Apple Pay if you have that. All right, so as you scroll through, just make sure all your information is correct, your email, your contact information. I do want to highlight this part where it tells you someone else collecting the order. You have that option. So if you yourself are not going to go ahead and collect it, you can tap there and someone else will collect it. And then just keep scrolling down. Make sure to put in your email and your phone number. That's very important. If you have any discount codes, this is the time to do it. So I'm going to give you a discount code, but depending when you're watching this video, it might already be over. These are for 15% off anything from IKEA. So if you're doing very large purchases, this is an awesome code to use. So here it is. I'm just going to zoom in on it a little bit more so you guys can see it yourselves. Go ahead and use it if you can. But anyways, you guys can see right here it says delivery fee. There is a $5 one, but if you're an IKEA family member, which is free by the way, or even a business network member, which is also free, it's free. Plus we have that discount code, which will just give us $3 off, but it's something. Then just tap down here below where it says I have read and understood. So once you tap there, you guys can tap on go to payments as long as you guys don't have any information missing, that is. So once again, just press on go to payments. And right here, you guys are gonna see all your payment options, which does include any gift cards that you may have from IKEA, any refund cards or anything like that. There's PayPal, which is awesome. Credit card, you guys can put your credit card, and again Apple Pay if you have that. Now regardless what you guys choose, it's gonna take you to the exact same screen. I'm gonna show you in a second. All right, then from here you're pretty much all done. It should tell you that an approximate time of when you guys can pick it up. It's gonna tell you your order number, so that's very important. And then all the way down, it's gonna tell you exactly how much you paid. And then if you scroll all the way down, you guys can just tap on check order status, or just continue shopping for more stuff. But you're pretty much done at this point in time. Let me just show you what happens if we just check the order status. All right, so once we check on our status, we can see picking your order. Then we're gonna see later on collect your order, then order collected once you actually collect it. So if you scroll down, we're gonna see that there's an option even to cancel the order. So just in case you made a mistake, you guys can also view your invoice, which is awesome. You guys can reschedule your order. And down here below, you're going to see your order ID, purchase date, and down here, it's one of the most important parts, which is the barcode. So this is something that you guys are going to have to scan, depending the IKEA that you go to. Sometimes they make it really easy where you guys scan this and you just pick it up. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.